Actions.
Hug.
Hug. Hug.
The girl hugs a teddy bear in her arms.
Clap.
Clap. Clap.
Can you clap your hands?
Cry.
Cry. Cry.
I cry when I am hurt.
Sleep.
Sleep. Sleep.
When we feel tired, we go to sleep.
Hug.
Hug.
Clap.
Clap.
Cry.
Cry.
Sleep.
Sleep. Throw. Throw. Throw.
When you throw something, it will fly away from you.
Hold. Hold. Hold.
Hold it tight. Do not let go.
Give. Give. Give.
The little boy gives the flower to his mom.
Lift.
Lift. Lift. Would you like Mommy to lift you up and swing you in the air?
Throw.
Throw.
Hold. Hold. Give. Give.
Lift.
Lift. Put.
Put. Put.
The father is putting his baby into a crib.
Grab. Grab. Grab.
The baby grabs a wooden block from his brother. Put.
Put. Grab. Grab. Pick. Pick. Pick.
The little boy is picking an apple.
Catch. Catch. Catch.
Catch it before it hits the ground.
Pick. Pick. Catch. Catch.
Take.
Take. Take. The mother is taking flowers from her son.
Drop.
Drop. Drop. Sand is dropping from hands. Take.
Take.
Drop.
Drop.
Carry.
Carry. Carry.
When we carry something, we pick it up and move it to a different place.
Push.
Push. Push.
We push things away from us.
Pull.
Pull. Pull. The little boy pulls the sled through the snow.
Count.
Count. Count.
Please count along with me. 1, 2, 3. Carry.
Carry.
Push.
Push.
Pull.
Pull. Count.
Count.
Paint.
Paint. Paint. When you paint, which colors do you like most?
Sing.
Sing. Sing.
People all over the world love to sing. Paint.
Paint. Sing.
Sing. Bounce.
Bounce. Bounce.
You can bounce on a trampoline.
Blow.
Blow. Blow.
When we force air out of our mouths, we are blowing.
Paint.
Paint. Paint.
When an artist
Sing.
paints, he creates a work of art.
Sing. Sing. The girls are singing in a band.
Bounce.
Bounce. Blow.
Blow.
Paint.
Paint. Sing.
Sing.
Dance.
Dance. Dance.
When you hear music, do you feel like dancing? Climb.
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 Many people like climbing mountains.
Dance.
Dance.
Climb.
Climb.